Okay, this is Mark and his synopsis. Yep.
All right, we'll start on the outside and work our way in. Anything that we talk about, I'll email and a report to you tonight. Report should go out sometime around 9 o'clock. Anything in areas you can't see, roofs, something unusual, I take pictures of. And when you get the report, the way it's going to be sorted, there's going to be a repair summary right at the beginning of the report where I'll list the repairs, things we're going to talk about now. And then I have a section at the end of the report, more maintenance related. If I had any damaged screens or burned out lights or caulking, something little like that, that'll be in a maintenance summary in the end. Starting on the outside of the house on the roof, there were a number of displaced tiles in different areas of the roof surface. I'll give the locations of those when I do the report, and from ground level I'll take some pictures and annotate the areas where those are. There was also several tiles with chipped or cracked ends. As long as those chips or cracks don't extend above the tile overlap, they're okay. That's usually about 3 or 4 inches. On the outside of the house, stucco looked really good. All I had was around 2 or 3 of the exterior doors. There's some cracks at seams around the doors, should be sealed. But other than that, stucco looked real good. Over on the north side of the house, there's an electrical outlet that has a damaged weather cover, should be replaced. And it's the outlet over by the air conditioning systems. The dining room sliding glass door needs a little bit of service to open and close easily. Just a little bit of lubrication and adjustment of the rollers. At the rear of the house, there's a couple places where the landscape materials and the planters are up against the base of the stucco. You should have 2 or 3 inches of clearance below the stucco. That'll be the only thing that's going to show on the pest report. In the west bedroom, the center west wall window needs some service to close easily. And then I noticed there had been a past ceiling repair pretty close to the entry door. Be a good idea to ask the sellers what the cause of that was. Might be just a paint issue, or may have had some kind of drywall repair.
And also, the seller disclosed that. They've actually already seen that in writing.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
In the hall bathroom, just a disconnected sink stopper in the left side sink. Heat and AC. Tyler from Choice Clean Air was here doing the heating and the AC. They've left a copy of their invoice on the counter. I'll defer to their report on the conditioning of the heating and air conditioning. I think they did have some minor maintenance items. There was a couple sections of rusted flue pipe in the garage should be replaced. In the master bathroom, the left side window has a broken lock, and that had really low pressure at the sink faucets at the west wall sink. Should be further evaluated to determine the cause. In the garage, the right side north wall window has a bad seal. You'll see some moisture droplets in between the panes. Your water heater, original water heater from '05, it is putting out good hot water now, but once you get past 10 years old, hard to say what kind of remaining life. Everything in the attic looked good. Framing, roof sheathing looked good. Your insulation, you're an R30 blown fiberglass, typical for the era when the house was built. Crawl space, all your foundation and framing look good. You've got an underfloor insulation there. The only thing I'm going to really notice about the crawl is there's evidence of rodent activity in the crawl space. My comment will be have a pest control company come out and do a service for that. But that's it. That's everything we have. Like I say, I'll have that over to you tonight. If you have questions when you get the report, just pick up the phone and call. I'll be glad to talk to you.
Cool. The piping, you want to talk about that at all?
PEX, but not Kitech. It's a Viega. It's a black PEX, and just fine. No issues with that. And then your drain system, ABS drain pipes.
Cool. Okay. All good.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you.